wait for. Do you understand me? Yes, so for the one where they go, more than no one for that one. Do that for George. All of them go tell them. And some of them, we will pepper them with our power. We will pepper them with our power. Nothing but the power. PVC. Nothing but the power. PVC. Anybody who says Rivers State no be important, we go pepper. Anybody who says no Rivers State, we no go see. Not so. Nothing like propaganda, nothing like intimidation. Nobody fit intimidate us. You understand me? Nobody. We are very, very solid. We are very, very strong. No state will come carry their hand, the point of honor. Nobody feel that. Do you understand me? They're strong to say, I'm from Rivers, I live in Rivers, I'm happy with Rivers. So, that one, na special election. Do you understand me? So, on a leader go sit down with her, tell her what you know, boom, who can not fear anything. What's more important first is our state, which we have collected. Do you understand me? Yes, we have collected our state. Since we want to see what you can support, we cannot take the support for granted. God will continue to bless you. I said, God will continue to bless you. All these your efforts will not be in vain. Go home and happy that PDP, Rivers State, we are taking the governorship, we are taking the senatorial, we are taking the House of Assembly. That is the election we are doing here. Also, these are the people who told me to come and campaign. Nobody told me to go campaign for them. I'm not going to force myself to go campaign for you. When you never tell me, let me show. As they tell me, let me make a come. Let me show. Somebody, if they don't know, yes, I've got to see the Amarabo and the Council of Chiefs. And I told them I'm not happy for one thing. And that one thing is because the Boni National Grammar School, now let me say it, hold on, PDP, we have paid 100% of that contract. Now let me tell you, so you know me well, I told the palace I'm not happy. Now, before I leave in May, we will hand over that school properly to you people. Now somebody said, you look at the terrain you are. Let me also say, we are doing shore protection at Long John, our Obe community. Is that no shore protection going on there? The greatest project you can have, do you know what you're talking about? To produce a governor. Can you know what that is? If you produce now we have come to say, look, we are bringing your son out. You give him the vote. Is it not true? He has no choice but to complete the ring. Not be so. Not be so. Simple thing. And this is what people will understand, that politics is no longer coming out to make rhetoric. Talk. No. Do you understand me? No. All these people who said are campaigning, let me tell you, what are they campaigning for? President Buhari said, I'm the best. Not be so? Not be so? The leader of NPC say, now we be the best. As far as development is concerned, not be so? Who can campaign when they can't campaign again now? This is the closest time. And Gideon and the Manu son is getting to the throne of the governor of Rivers State. Now, who is the man? Who is the man that's going to decide what will be where and what will not be where? Is it not your son? Is it not your son? What project is here and not project? But anyway, we have agreed with the farmers and they have told us that The ring road is very important for you. The ring road is very important for you. And I have told them, I will sign for it. Your son will have to complete it. Your son has to complete it.